A very hearty welcome to this episode of Spell Talk. Today we will consider the words starting with the letter C. The first word is Caesar. Caesar. C-A-E-S-A-R. We are familiar with words like Julius Caesar, Octavius Caesar, etc. Caesar is not a name. Caesar means king. So, Julius Caesar means King Julius and Octavius Caesar means King Octavius. Now, the spelling is C-A-E-S-A-R. So, please note that C-A-E-S-A-R. See, in the beginning you have A and after C you have A and E. E comes after A. Be very careful about that. C-A-E. And at the end you have A-R. Many people write it as E-R. So, please note the spelling C-A-E-S-A-R, and Caesar means king. Now, you may also be familiar with the word Caesarean, Caesarean operation, or more correctly Caesarean section. The Caesarean comes from the word Caesar. It has nothing to do with scissors. Caesarean comes from the word Caesar. C-A-E-S-A-R-E-A-N. That is how you spell the word Caesarean. So, if you are familiar with the word Caesarean, you can add either E-A-N or I-A-N to Caesar. You get the word Caesarean, and that is how the word Caesarean operation, Caesarean section also, etc. have come into being. Now, that is about Caesar. Now, the next word is calendar. Calendar. You look at the calendar to get the date. The spelling is C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R. The confusion is with the last part of the word, that is A-R. Many people use E-R. That is not how you should write the word. You should write it C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R. So, you have to seek the help of a calendar to get the date, day, etc. So, in such a usage, you have to use AR at the end of calendar. Okay. Now, the next word is Caribbean. Caribbean. You talk about the Caribbean team. When you refer to the West Indies team, you often use the word Caribbean. Caribbean, West, say in the meaning, to get the meaning of West Indian, we often use the term Caribbean. You are familiar with the word Caribbean Sea, etc. Now, we will see the spelling C-A-R-I-B-B-E-A-N. The confusion is with the letters R and B. We have C-A-R-I-B-B-E-A-N. That is how you spell the word. Most people use double R and single B. So, instead of that, you have to use single R and double B. So, I will spell the word once more, C-A-R-I-B-B-E-A-N, Caribbean. Now, the next word is cassette, or more correctly cassette. There is no need of a long ka sound there. We are familiar with the words or expressions like audio cassette, video cassette, etc. The spelling is C-A-S-S-E-T-T-E. The confusion is with S and T. People start wondering whether we should use single S or double S, whether we should use single T or double T. You have double S and double T. So, the spelling is C-A-S-S-E-T-T-E. That is cassette. Now, the next word is Celsius. Celsius is used to measure temperature. You have expressions like centigrade, Fahrenheit, etc. So, Celsius also is a degree of measurement of temperature, etc. So, the spelling is C-E-L-S-I-U-S. You have to take care of two things. One is, it is pronounced as Celsius, not Celsius. It is Celsius. And after C-E-L, you have S, not C. So, please note the spelling C-E-L-S-I-U-S, C-E-L-S-I-U-S. So, the S after C-E-L, that is where you have to concentrate. That is where the mistakes occur. So, C-E-L-S-I-U-S, Celsius. Pronunciation is Celsius, not Celsius. Now, the next word is champagne. Champagne is the name of a wine, a particular variety of wine, a very high quality of wine. The spelling is CHAMPAGNE. CHAMPAGNE. Champagne, CHAMPAGNE. That is the name of a particular variety of wine, and actually Champagne is the name of a district in France. In the district of Champagne in France, there is very high quality grapes and you get high quality wine. So, in order to honor that quality of the district, the name of the district has been given to this wine and this type of grapes also. So, Champagne is actually the name of a district, and the high quality of wine from that district is also called Champagne now. So, the spelling once more please, CHAMPAGNE, CHAMPAGNE, Champagne. The next word is chassis. Chassis may not sound very familiar because we are in the habit of using or pronouncing the word as chassis. For example, you can consider the bus or truck coming from Tata or Leyland, etc. See, the body is built later on. So, before the body is built, when you consider just the machine and other things, you call it chassis. That is the truck or bus without its body. It is called chassis, CHASSIS. And the strange pronunciation is because it comes from the French language. In the French language, the last S is not pronounced, especially when it is preceded by a vowel sound. So, please note that spelling, CHASSIS. It is pronounced chassis, but there is an S at the end. So, please note that again, CHASSIS. Now, our next word is chauffeur. Chauffeur. Chauffeur, you need a chauffeur when you can't drive your own car or a vehicle like that. So, you seek the help of a chauffeur or an experienced driver. You employ him as your driver, and then you can consider him your chauffeur. The spelling is CHAUFFEUR, CHAUFFEUR, a paid driver of a private car. That is the idea. Now, the spelling once more, CHAUFFEUR. Don't wonder why the spelling ends in EUR, etc. It is because it has been brought into the English language from the French language. So, that is the French pattern of spelling. So, please note that once again, CHAUFFEUR. The next word is cholesterol. Cholesterol, a very familiar word. Now, the problem is with the spelling. So, please note that spelling, CHOLESTEROL. Note that again, CHOLESTEROL. The problem is with the E after T. Most people omit that E. So, you have to be very careful. There is an E after T. That is where the mistake or problem happens. So, please write that correctly, CHOLESTEROL. The E after T. That is what you have to pay special attention to, CHOLESTEROL. This is the first part of the words starting with the C, and we come to the end of that, and now it's goodbye for the time being till we meet again for the next episode at the same time next week.